Belo Horizonte, capital of Brazilian mining. 30 kilometres east is Crusader's Posse iron ore mine.
The Posse mine is located in the area known as the Iron Quadrangle, and in Portuguese it's called the Quadrilátero Ferrífero, which is the centre of iron ore mining in Brazil.
And with Brazil, together with Australia, the world's top exporters of iron, it is also one of the most significant iron ore regions on the planet.
Being in this region is obviously a dynamic place to be. We have major laboratories, engineering companies, contractors, drilling companies, all on our doorstep. So it's obviously a perfect place to be mining.
When we started looking for opportunities in Brazil, we were trying to focus on smaller projects that weren't of interest to the major companies that would allow us to get into cash flow very quickly. Posse we saw as an ideal candidate. There was high-grade iron ore at surface. It had been disturbed and mined previously. We saw it as a fantastic opportunity to achieve that goal.
What also attracted Crusader was the sheer quality of the resource.
So this is a great example of some of our lump that we have on surface. That would probably go 67–68% iron.
The project is based on the use of bulk open pit mining methods. A 1 million tonne per annum processing plant has already been built, and the first stage of production will target the surface hematite vein. Once the bulk of the lump has been exhausted, the second stage will target the atabarite with the addition of a magnetic separation unit.
This is the other type of ore which we get in the deposit, which forms the bulk of the deposit. It's a banded iron formation known as atabarite, which consists of silica and iron bands. Just by rubbing this material with my fingers, we can see the lighter coloured silica is being blown away and the dark black material is collecting in my hand. The bulk of the material is the darker, high-grade iron ore.
With this high-grade resource, they will be able to achieve a 63% product with very low contaminants. The current mine plan sees a mine life of 8 to 9 years with an annual throughput rate of 1 million tonnes.
The mining process here is extremely simple. There's no need for blasting. We just use front-end loaders and trucks. The ore body itself is extremely close to the plant, so we just load it into the trucks and take it straight to the plant and tip it into the crusher.
The simplicity of the operation also extends to distribution and access to customers. The mine is strategically located next to Highway 381, which gives convenient access for the 6 steel mills and over 80 pig iron smelters within a 150-kilometre radius. This allows Crusader to consider a domestic-style mineral resource.
We don't have to worry about China or shipping it away or trains. It's a very simple logistical chain that we're dealing with. That was very attractive to Crusader.
The other attractive aspect is the potential for very high margins. The current price for Posse's resource is the equivalent of $80 Australian per tonne, and the cost per tonne is estimated to be only $15 Australian.
By delivering high-grade iron ore with really low contaminant and a lump product, it will really punch above its weight in terms of cash flow.